Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden, and today once again it's raining. So I put the rainy background, as you can probably hear it in the background. What I wanted to show you today was this shirt that I got from Venus. Now you might have seen my other video because I got this shirt and that other coral colored flowery shirt, and they're both cold shoulder shirts. That one more because this has got, that's my bra strap, but it's got adjustable straps, and the other one had like a tank thing, so it wasn't adjustable. It was just like almost like a tank top over here, and then it had the ruffly sleeves. But this doesn't have ruffles. It's just up here it does. See, these ruffles, and then it's straight, and that's it. I like it. It's dressy but casual. I like to get shirts that are dressy but casual at the same time because they really don't go anywhere. I haven't been anywhere in like a year, if not more. Most of you probably haven't gone out, but we're not real big on bars and clubs. We don't really go to them. We might go out to dinner where you can get a drink or two, but we really don't drink much. And unless people start visiting us, you know. So anyway, this is the necklace I made. You might see it on one of my jewelry tutorials. I also made these earrings. So check out my jewelry tutorial playlist and you'll see how to make this necklace and these earrings. But anyway, this is a review for this shirt from Venus, and the link will be below this video in the description box. So be sure that when you're done with this video, you look below, click that link, and check it out while they still have them. Sometimes Venus has the stuff that I had done reviews, and I might upload my older reviews, and it'll say in the title, older review, of the things that Venus still has. Now they're even cheaper. The longer Venus has these shirts and dresses available, the cheaper they become. So for instance, I could have bought a dress for like $40 something, and now it's like $36. I bought some shirts for $39 and $36. Now they're like $20 to $16. Some are $14. So I was like, oh. But anyway, and they have sales all the time, so you might want to check. This shirt was not on sale. It was, I believe, $36. The reason why I like Venus is they're good quality, and their sizes are usually true to size. So if you're small, get a small. If you're medium, get a medium. If you're large, get a large. Now this is a large, and I could have went and got a medium, but I am large busted. So I wanted it to be loose and flowy, and I also wanted it to be longer, because if I got in a medium, having a larger bust, it would have pulled it up, and then it would have been rising, and I'd rather have it fit that way. So it's not too loose, it fits, it's stretchy material, and it's very comfortable and lightweight and breathable. So for the summer, this is great. It's even great for the fall, where it's a little chilly but not too chilly. So if you wanted to go out to dinner or just somewhere that you might be going, then this is good. And what I like, it's very casual. You can pair this up with a pair of shorts or a dressy skirt or nice dressy slacks or just some jeans. That's what I like. That's why I always try to get something that's both dressy and casual. So don't forget to click that link below this video and check out this shirt on Venus. In the back it's the same way. I would stand up and everything, but I have so much junk here. We're remodeling the house, as I said in other videos, and so this was my everything room. We'll fixing this up last because we have bits and parts of things that have to go for the remodeling, and so now that my husband's currently working on the kitchen as I speak, we've got stuff all over the place because I had to empty a lot of stuff and bring it in here, so it's hard for me to move around, so that's why I'm not standing up. But these pictures will show you what it looks like, and there it is. That's from Venus. Those pictures are from Venus. So now you got an idea what it looks like. I really love this shirt. It's between this one and that one. My husband likes this one better on me. He doesn't mind the other one, but this is his favorite. And I didn't even know he was getting it. I was torn. I wanted that shirt and I wanted this shirt. And I was like, I want them both. So I'm like, go ahead and just order the corally colored floral one, right? But he goes, all right, so I surprised you and I got you two shirts. But he didn't tell me what the other one was, and I figured it had to be this, and it was. So he surprised me and got me this one and the other one. So I really love it. I like both of them very much. They're very comfortable, and definitely I would purchase. And I definitely can say purchase them. Now Venus is not paying me for this. They don't even know I'm doing this review. I just love Venus clothing, and I say that on all my other videos, and I'll be uploading my older videos, like I said that I did reviews on some Venus stuff, but only the ones where they still have the items on Venus. Because I've seen that a lot of the items are gone, so it's pointless to put it up because you can't get it. So, but I just wanted you to see these shirts, and I know you'll like it. So thanks for watching this video. So I'll see you on my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.